Well, downtown Tampa to get to the Amalie Arena to see Tampa and Calgary tonight. I have to admit, parking is difficult to come by. Traffic is bad by the arena. We did pay $20 to park, and we were lucky to get the last spot in the lot we went in.
Lightning fan Siobhan of the Forest, let him hear it. That's how you do music properly. It's always fun watching the guys on that back.
Still $35 a ticket, so it's not too bad. A lot of excitement outside, a lot of craziness because I had no idea where I was going, but we're here at our seats.
Commemorate the occasion with our ceremonial puck drop. Please join us in welcoming to center ice from St. Pete Pride Executive Director Nicole Berman.
2, 1, fire them up, Mason! Let's go!
Thing I do notice here is that this arena is louder than Toronto, but you know, it's got different things. It's a different fun experience. Amalie Arena is really nice, though the corridors maybe are a little small. And you get the same thing you do in Toronto, lineups for bathrooms and lineups for drinks. But it's a nice facility, not completely full. It's one of the only arenas I've ever been to where you actually see people here in shorts.
We have a goal. Tampa is charged.
Calgary certainly came in and took over Tampa, sort of like all us Canadians taking over Florida in February and March. So that was an interesting experience, hitting a hockey game in Tampa. The arena is great, the experience was great, and hopefully it doesn't take us 3 hours to get back to our Airbnb.